Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower applique. For materials, you want white and yellow worsted weight yarn or whatever colors you want your flower to be, and a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. To start, we're going to use yellow or whatever color you want for the center of your flower, and we're going to start with a magic ring, chain 1, and make 12 half double crochets into the ring. Once you have your 12 half double crochets, pull your tail end tight and join to the very first half double crochet. And we are going to change to white or whatever color you want your flower petals to be. And then you can just crochet over these tails, or you could weave them in later. We're going to chain 3. And we are going to make the following stitches all into that very first space. We're going to make 2 double crochets. Chain 2. And 3 more double crochets all into that same space. So here that first chain 3 is counting as a double crochet. So we technically have 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets all into that first stitch. We're going to skip the next stitch, which is right here, and then work another petal into the next stitch. So make sure you're skipping just 1 stitch, because all of these double crochets can easily cover that next stitch. So skip 1 stitch, and then we are going to slip stitch into the next, and we're going to make another petal, chain 3, and again this is all going into 1 stitch. So we have our chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Skip our next stitch, working into the following stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And we're going to work this all the way around, and we should have a total of 6 petals once we get all the way around. Here I went all the way around. I have 6 petals, and to complete the round I'm going to join or slip stitch right under my first chain 3. So I'm going to slip stitch to join and then chain 1 to fasten off. And there is your crochet flower. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.